Good morning, everyone. Let's discuss on 19th April pre-market update. And today's macroeconomics event, that is M3 money supply. M3 money supply will happen on every bi-weekly frequencies. Every bi-weekly will get update. So just a quick glimpse on what is M3 money supply and who is going to release this. So M3 money supply basically is composed of M1 and M2. What is M1? M1 is the currency with public. Whatever the public is having a cash or currency, everything concluded, plus deposits, which is current account and savings account, which is available in the banks. That is called M1 supply. M2 is nothing but M1 plus savings deposit of post office. That is whatever we deposit in a savings bank, or whatever the deposits we do in the post office as a savings bank, that will also be concluded. That is called M2. So M3 is nothing but M1 plus M2. So in short, M3 includes broader money, not only the savings deposit or currency with public, it concludes everything and includes deposits, includes with agreed maturity. Whatever the people are depositing with agreed maturity of 2 years and up to 2 years, they'll consider. And deposits are noticeable or redeemable within 3 months, and repurchase agreements, money market funds, and shares all together is the broader money. Whereas M1 is only currency with public and deposits. M2 is M1 plus savings deposit of post office, whereas M3 has got everything in one go. So M3 is a larger, broader money. So that result is there today. So ideally, we should expect, if the money is supply or money supply is more, or public is carrying more, or savings bank deposit is more, all this is a positive sign. So let's see whether we are going to get the positive. The previous was 9%, whether we are going to get more or less. Let's keep a watch on that. So ideally, the money supply, M3 money supply, by end of this year, $23 billion they are expecting. So $230 billion, sorry. So by end of this year, they are expecting. So this is what the overall forecast. And tomorrow's bank loan growth and foreign exchange, forex and deposit growth. Let's have a discussion on this by tomorrow. So hope you are clear on this M3 money supply. Coming back to global index performance, SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty is minus 18.5. We can call it as, for now, it is a flat almost. Like a negative or positive, like that we can consider it's a flat market. And Dow Jones yesterday was really up, and now it is minus 10.55. So we just have to see how exactly will perform, will affect Indian market. And Nasdaq is minus 4.31, and S&P 500 is plus 3.5. It's all about flat. There is nothing much impact. So on the Nifty and bank Nifties, Japan market is down by minus 70 points. That might impact or might not impact. And this crude oil, the windfall tax has been that we will discuss on this in the upcoming slide. Windfall tax has been discounted, so we will see how exactly it will impact on the stocks in the upcoming slide. That's why the crude oil price has gone up. So gold, yes, it is reducing, it is increasing. So that means it might affect the in Nifty. Nifty might come down. So this is one symbol what we are having to measure the gold and as well as Nifty. So gold is going up. We'll see. And the dollar is almost a flat. We can call it as a 0.07. It is very small, but it will impact the Nifty still. And Nifty 50, what we are seeing, previous day close is 17,660, and today we are expecting 17,831. And key support, what we are at, for 17,489. If this breaks, then it will go to the next second standard deviation. It has been availed from the daily volatility. Again, Bank Nifty from 42,265. Bank Nifty key resistance, what we are seeing, 42,798, 41,726 as the support. So please have a look on this based upon the daily volatility, whether it will touch second standard deviation or first standard deviation. Please keep a watch on your Nifty and Bank Nifty option positions if it breaks this volatility. And Nifty glimpse, yes. So here we'll have to look. So Nifty, as per the even to avoid the more, or to get the more clarity, we have bought the long-term visionary also. So we are seeing a support zone. So we might see the market might come like this also. And in the price action level, it should go. So whatever we are expecting, at least one price action to go to the next level. So once The price action meaning if we are getting the time to time or on time price action, that means market is moving very positionally. Otherwise, if abrupt movement, suddenly market goes up and suddenly market comes down, this is called abrupt. So if the proper price action, if it is going, then it's a systematically market is moving. So always we expect price action for every movement. So the same thing we are expecting, if it happens, then it's good. Otherwise, there may be chances of getting a fake entries or fake breakouts. So be careful on this price actions. Top stocks to watch. So windfall tax on crude oil revised to rupees for 6,400. So windfall tax has been revised. That is one positive news for us today. That's why crude oil price is also going up. And with this, government can generate additional revenue as well. So this is going to be a good news. So what are the major stock beneficiaries from this is petroleum stocks, industrial stocks like Asian Paints, Pidilite, all these things might get affected in a good manner. So just keep a watch on your analysis, do your own analysis. SBI, the board, one good news is the Board of India, largest lender, SBI has approved long-term fundraising of up to $2 billion debt during financial year 2023-24. So this might impact because SBI is also one of the Bank Nifty carry weightage stock list. So this might impact, this news might impact Bank Nifty. So please have a position under your control. Plus also the market is expected to go down or up. Please have your own analysis. Thank you so much. So don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe button for more such regular updates. Thank you.